Okay, the funniest thing that people don't pay attention to when it comes to marriage licenses designed by man. In the Bible, there's a story. Solomon. Okay, let's see here. He had many wives, concubines, and whatnot. Okay, let's look here. Yeah, you can look up the history of how the World War II people uh, treated people. You know, the bad Nazis and all that stuff. You can look it up, and I agree. It is wrong to torment someone with sexual impurity issues. Let's see. So I'm going to talk about Solomon for a while. Solomon and the harlot mothers. Now, Solomon did not mistreat the harlot mothers. Okay. It's showing you the strong maternal nature of, okay, mothering, real mothers. Okay. All right. So, if man designs man himself, he should be able to overcome Solomon and the two mothers' arguments. Man does not design man himself. Okay, this portion is found in 1 Kings 3:16 through 28. Okay, so there came two women that were harlots into the king and stood before him. Okay, harlots. We can replace that with lesbians if you want. I mean, like, you can replace it with anything. You could replace it with two male transgenders. Whatever. Doesn't matter. There's a strong maternal instinct in those women. Okay. So if marriage licenses and other things can go whatever way man wants it to be, then Solomon, speaking wisely to the two harlots, says, okay, well, the other woman did this, then, okay, in verse 24, and the king said, bring me a sword. And they brought a sword before the king. What sword is he talking about? Could it be medical practice sword? Mutilation sword that creates high suicidality rates or something? Bring the sword. We're going to fix this situation. Um, we're going to cut this child up. Do whatever we want to do. The child's, under 2. He doesn't understand much, right? Maybe. They don't understand. They don't care. Let's just build up this idea in the head. And the king said, divide the living child in 2. Give half to one, the other to the other. Half to the other. So instead of them being married, we need to divorce them, We need to divorce the two harlots. Let's make sure that one harlot gets this brand new, instead of it being a son, it's going to be a daughter. And that one's going to get it. And then the other harlot is going to get the other half of the daughter. Okay? Do you understand why you can't flip things around? The creator makes things the way he wants it to be. Okay? So, yeah, all right. So man comes up with ideas, but Solomon has a little wisdom for man. Solomon has wisdom for man. Just saying. Suicidality rates? Anyway, marriage ideas? Don't think so. Not everything is clear cut and dry as they want it to be. It's going to be brought before the King of Kings. That's the way it's going to be. Okay. Have a good day.